Hello guys, hello, it is me, Steven's Adventures, and in today's new video, we are playing with Astd Gamer and his sister, and my sister. Come on, let's go.
I'm having a seizure, guys. I'm having a
seizure. Okay, which gate do we go to?
Oh gosh.
So wait, guys.
I think it was gate.
No, wait, don't go there.
No, Emily, no.
Is Emma leaving?
That was the wrong. Oh wait, go.
Go. Cool kids in the back.
Yeah.
I think we should leave because nobody else is here. We don't want to be just by ourselves.
Please get in. Please.
Leave room. Yeah.
Go. Oh.
He goes in, and they don't go. Go B. Okay, I'm in the front. Okay, guys, we're going to Ohio, right?
It's full.
Oh wait, are we having a full fight?
Yes, we are.
I like how brother and sister are singing together. At some point, we should do some boys versus girl thing with us, or brothers versus sister, or like some sort of brother and sister versus brother and sister kind of thing. Wouldn't that be kind of fun? What are your guys' seats?
Yeah.
Where are your guys' seats?
I got G's up 11.
Oh, you're like behind me. I'm D6. Emma, where are you?
H9. I see you behind me. See, turn your camera the other way. Turn your camera the other way.
Let's fly.
Okay, Steven, you have to go.
What do you mean I have to go? We're all going to the same plane.
Yeah, we're going to
Ohio, right?
Yeah, Ohio. No, you aren't. Stop.
Or wait. Oh, guys, I thought we were supposed to go to Indiana for the trip. I think I might have written down Ohio on accident. Why is Daniel all the way back there? I'm at like D6.
I'm at D11.
G, like giraffe? I like how they tell us we can get out, but then they make it so we have to get straight in. They're dead. Oh, like 4 people just got hurt. Yay, I'm spinning. Oh wait, it's getting faster. The spinning is getting...
bro. Bro, I have a baller on my shoulder, bro.
What?
I have a baller on my shoulder, bro. Posting about baller. All I see on all these websites is baller.
My controls are screwed up.
Help! Help!
Why is Daniel driving?
Help!
Why was Daniel driving it? How do you get like that? Oh no! Quick! I think we got a greater by our hand. One of your crew members is like kidnapping people. What the heck? My dog is trying to come into the recording.
What?
Yeah, my dog was like in the room.
No doggy!
Okay.
No doggy left.
Yeah,
What the?
my dog tried to steal the spotlight, but I have no face cam.
No fair.
Bro,
I love
there's two people in a cabinet above.
They were jumping and then the cabinet got shut.
Okay,
I need to see this. Where?
Is this one over here? Is this one over here? This one over here.
Wait, you can actually get in there? How?
Y'all need to get in. It's good. You want me to help you get in?
Okay. Oh, come on. Are we in the airspace of the state?
Okay.
Why are two people in there?
Don't open the cabinet.
Lock them in. Lock them in. Are those snakes? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! They're right behind the seat. They're right behind the seat.
Oh my god.
Get in the bathroom.
Well, if you see it's
I think last time I actually played this game, it was with Emma. Like without Daniel. I think it was with Emma, and she.
Is he over here? Is he over here?
Where? Okay, I made it in. I made it in.
Yeah.
Who's here? Who's here? Who's not?
Emma, come in here. Come in here, Emma.
Where is she?
Get in here.
10.
On the toilet.
9.
On the toilet.
Emma, get over here.
Emma is here.
Wait, really?
There's a restaurant cooking.
Where?
That was scary.
Oh, she is here. I didn't see her. Okay, we're all live. I think like the whole server survived. No, I think there were like 15 to start, to be honest. I think the people that were locked into the cabinet got like killed.
Yeah.
We lost 7 people.
Because I didn't see you even get in the bathroom.
No, we locked them in the cabinet.
Yes, wow.
Okay, this is the part where Steven gets blown up. So
No, what? What?
yeah. this is the part where you get blown up. Remember?
That was that one time. I do not want to bomb again.
I need to go in my chair.
Who's got the bomb?
Here they go.
Good news and bad news. Say the bad news first so we know what it is. Power's back up. It's pretty obvious. You're talking on a loudspeaker, which takes energy, but doesn't take. Oh, oxygen. Oh no, this is the part where we need oxygen masks. I got one.
Brother, they're back.
Get the oxygen mask. Okay, Daniel's got one.
Go get that door.
Oh, that was the last second. Oh my god. That was the last second.
I did get a last second.
Nah, she like died. Like it disappeared like last second, and then she died. I've got the bomb. I got the bomb again. Wait, last time the green wire was bad, right? Destroy the red wire.
Wait, who has a bomb?
Me.
Ah, you have it again.
Where's the scissors? It's on the other side of the plane.
They're under there. They're under there, Steven. Steven, they're under there.
I found scissors. I found them first.
Steven, the
Okay, I died on green last time. Do red. Do red. Red.
It's always random.
Am I alive?
Steven's gonna blow up. Run away. Run away.
I'm alive. I'm alive.
Bro, how'd you get a bomb stuck onto you?
I got knocked out. We all did. I like how I'm a robot and I need oxygen. I just have like a fake head. I just have a prop head on me.
You have a real
It's all my noobs that should get on.
baller.
The crew.
Man, if you don't get your
I found them. Wait, where?
Ooh. Go! Bang on his door! Go!
Where's the staff?
Go! Break his door down! Break it down! No one cares! How do I know that?
Come on. No. How does he know that?
Let me in! Let me in! Oh god. You gotta find a code, Steven.
Code.
Back to the ship. Back to the ship. Where? Why are we going to a store? I mean, we're going to have dinner here. Found the code. I found a code, bro.
Okay.
Give me another big jacket.
We've got a problem.
He's here.
We've got problems. What did we do?
Yeah. You think you're here on accident, but you're not.
What?
You were the exact guys who threw me off the plane.
I brought you here. All of you. How?
Why? Did we throw you off a plane or something?
That is not possible.
Wait.
It is, and now it's time. Oh shoot! It's one of those moments. Run.
You fallen mud? Yeah. Where?
Afterlife.
No. No one's supposed to go around it. That's not nice. That's not nice. Friends should help each other.
Okay.
Yeah, laugh, but you help you out, okay? That's what real friends do. Real friends never do this.
He's falling. Oh no. Oh no. What are we gonna do?
Man, I'll do it. No, you don't need to find anything, man. I'll do it. I'll fly the plane.
Get the auto clicker.
I don't have it. I'm not on my computer. Yes.
We got it.
Yes.
Oh wow, this whole side was just stripped. How's the pilot? How is the pilot? It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already. Yes! But wait, weren't we flying somewhere though? Yeah, this flight to Ohio is crazy. No one needs to respond to the emergency phone. Where's the emergency phone?
I was actually gonna drink. Man, I was thirsty.
What's happening? What's happening? What's happening?
Water, right?
Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry. We will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? Whoa. Considering the losses, we lost a friend. And 8 other people. Okay. We're gonna get, are we gonna land or at Ohio, or are we gonna go back home and forget that we were in Ohio?
I got it.
Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat beside the captain. I got it. Oh my god, I'm just leading a whole parade. Okay, Emma got it. Like how we're all there for emotional support. Okay, everyone, I got this. You don't have your pilot's license yet, though. Oh no, it is back. Mwahaha. You humans are funny. What? Your destiny has already been written. What is happening? Last chance. Cupcake Princess 31. Crash this plane and we will rule the underworld for eternity. Are you voting or? I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. You humans are so weak. Weren't you once human though? This is not the last time you see me. I'm just not gonna go on a plane again, probably. It's gone. Wait, he said it was not the last time we see him. What did he mean?
It disconnected me.
Well, we'll consider you won. We'll consider you won with. Okay, guys. Next video you'll see us playing Airplane 2, guys, and this was a crazy flight, right, guys? Anyways, subscribe to my friends, like and sub for Airplane 2, and I'll probably see you later. Watch Clone Rebellion 3, watch anything I've posted, watch anything my friends have posted, and subscribe. So bye.